Hello everyone, welcome to Happy English Kid. Unit 1, Counting. Let's count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What number is missing? Number 7. What number is missing? Number 3. What number is missing? Number 9. What number is missing? Number 5. What number is missing? Number 6. What number is missing? Number 2. What number is missing? Number 8. What number is missing? Number 4. What number is missing? Number 10. What number is missing? Number 1. Let's count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.